I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the tools and confirming the adapter. You must be root or use sudo so commands can change interfaces. This is why permissions matter. First, run IP link show to identify the wireless name, typically WLAN 0 or WLP20. Once you know the device, start the IOD daemon with systemctl start IOD. Service if it isn't active. This provides ilctl, a lightweight client for managing Wi-Fi. Doing this now avoids service conflicts later when scanning and connecting. Once done, open ilctl and work interactively so you can see feedback. Type ilctl, then use device list to confirm your wireless device. Next, run station device scan to discover SSIDs and station device get networks to display them. This reveals signal strength and network modes. Choose the SSID and run station device connect SSID. You will be prompted for the passphrase. After a successful handshake, ilctl shows the IP4/IP6 status. Make sure DHCP assigns an address. To finish, enable the IOD service so your Wi-Fi reconnects automatically. Systemctl enable now IOD. Service. If you need a static IP or more complex routing, configure nectl, systemd networked, or install Network Manager. Choose what matches your workflow. If connectivity fails, check logs with journalctl IOD and confirm the device is not blocked with rfkill list all, soft or hard blocks are common causes. One troubleshooting tip. Bring the interface down and up with IP link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.